Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 Triumph Tiger 800 XC. 3-cylinder, 800 cc's of adventure sport power, fuel injected, liquid cooled. It's got heated grips, beautiful condition, brand new tires, only 39,000 miles on this gorgeous metallic black Tiger 800. It's got the locking, removable top case, adjustable suspension. It's got engine guard, rock guard, hand guards. Come on by. Make your middleweight adventure sport dreams come true for just $69.90. This bike is in beautiful shape. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thing is a powerhouse. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.